Welcome back to my channel. Practice these 50 questions and answers to improve your English. Where did you go?
I went to the market.
Who went with you?
My brother went with me.
Was the one in a red shirt your brother?
No, the one with yellow shirt was my brother.
What did you buy from the market?
We bought toys and books from the market.
How did you all go?
We went by walking.
How did you arrive when you came back?
We came back by bus.
Did you find everything you needed at the market?
Yes, we found everything there.
What did you have for dinner last night?
We had fish for dinner last night.
Where was your dad yesterday?
My dad went to the office.
What did you do yesterday?
I watched TV.
Did you cook dinner last night?
Yes, I cooked pasta.
What language did you study at school?
I studied English.
Did you visit the students' lounge last week?
Yes, I visited the students' lounge.
Did you clean your room this morning?
No, I didn't clean it.
Where did you go on the weekend?
I went to the park.
Did you take a cooking class?
Yes, I learned to cook.
What time did you wake up yesterday?
I woke up at 7:30 am.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I had cereal.
Did you visit a friend last week?
Yes, I visited my friend.
Did you play games with your siblings?
No, I didn't play any games.
Where did you travel on your last vacation?
I went to the beach.
What did you wear to the party?
I wore a dress.
Did you study English last night?
Yes, I studied for an hour.
Did you take a shower this morning?
Yes, I took shower.
Did you water the plants in your garden?
No, I forgot to water them.
What did you have for lunch yesterday?
I had a sandwich.
Did you watch a soccer game on TV?
No, I didn't watch any games.
What movie did you watch last weekend?
I watched a comedy.
Where did you find your lost keys?
I found them in the kitchen.
Did you visit a museum last month?
No, I didn't visit the museum.
Did you read a book before bedtime?
Yes, I read a novel.
Where did you meet your best friend?
I met them at school.
Did you help your parents with chores?
Yes, I helped with the dishes.
Where are you from?
I am from New York City.
What's your favorite color?
Black is my favorite color.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
How many family members do you have?
We are a family of 4.
Are you a student or a worker?
I am a student.
How do you get to school?
I get to school by subway.
Do you like to exercise?
No, I don't like to exercise.
What's your favorite fruit?
Mango is my favorite fruit.
Did you go for a walk in the evening?
No, I stayed home.
Were you sleeping last night?
No, I was reading a book.
What was she making for breakfast?
She was frying eggs.
Were they playing when it rained?
Yes, they were playing.
Did you watch a fireworks display?
Yes, I watched the fireworks.
We went to the park.
We went to the park. What did you build with your building blocks?
I built a tall tower.
What were you drawing when I came in?
I was sketching.
Were you playing with your dog?
Yes, I was playing. Thanks for watching.